Here at Libs Paving, we provide concrete needs for our customers, ranging from curbing an entire parking lot, sidewalks around an entire building, to simple curb patching, sidewalk patching. We also provide residential driveway paving for concrete. So what our customers can expect from Libs Paving when we perform a concrete project is the same thing they're going to find with any project with Libs Paving, is that we're going to meet their needs. We're going to find out what they want, what they can afford, and we're going to provide that project, and we're going to provide a quality project that they can be happy about. If you've got the money and you want to spend it, it's concrete, right? Because it's prettier, it's going to last longer, it's going to crack less, there are going to be less issues with it. An asphalt driveway is easier to maintain, cheaper to replace. We can meet, here at Libs Paving, we can meet all your concrete needs. All you have to do is call, fill out an application online, and we will get with you. A sales representative will contact you, come meet you, find out what your needs are, and we'll get the project done.